Battery replacement tutorial for extended battery module of online high-density UPS series. Important notice. Before battery replacement, please read the safety precautions that can be found in the user's manual, quick start guide, and or other related documents. To start, pull the left side of the front panel to remove. Loosen the 4 screws. And pull the handle to open the battery access door. Loosen the screws on the red connectors from both sides. Then, remove the red connectors from the battery retention brackets. Disconnect the black pins. Then, disconnect the red connectors. Loosen the screws from the battery retention brackets. Remove the battery retention brackets. Pull the plastic tags to remove the battery packs. Replace with new battery packs. Reinstall the battery retention brackets. Fasten the 4 screws on the battery retention brackets. Connect the red connectors. Then, connect the black pins. Place the red connectors back to the battery compartment. Tighten the screws on the red connectors. Close the battery access door. And fasten the 4 screws. Reinstall the front panel. Now that you've completed the battery installation, it's time to test it. You can run a battery test by using the UPS LCD panel. First, press the Enter button when the UPS is in line mode to enter the setup menu. Press the arrow button to scroll down to the diagnostics icon. And press Enter. Then, you will see the battery test. Press Enter to activate. The test will start to run. The UPS will enter battery mode for a while. When you see the UPS working normally, you will know the battery test is complete. Finally, remember to reset the battery replacement date by using PowerPanel software or an installed remote management card. You may also test the battery by using PowerPanel software or an installed remote management card.